Hi, welcome. I'm Joanne. Thank you for joining me today. Today we'll be working on a meditation that focuses on visualization. Visualization meditations are linked to health benefits, such as improving sleep, pain relief, improving the ability to cope with stress, and greater emotional and physical wellness. Let's get started. Assume your meditation position where you are sitting comfortably and your spine is long and your breath flows naturally. Inhale, exhale. Visualize yourself in a valley by a river. You can see the hills alive with greenery, trees, and flowers, maybe some animals, and the river is flowing calmly. By the river, there is a large tree with many leaves falling from it. The leaves fall from the tree with the same ease as the river flows. Now, whenever your mind begins to wander onto other thoughts, visualize yourself picking up a leaf from the tree and placing that thought onto the leaf. Then place that leaf onto the river and watch it float away. It can be challenging, but try. Slowly come back to the breath. Bring awareness back to your body. Maybe start by wiggling your fingers and your toes. Then by fluttering your eyes open. Now that wasn't so hard, was it? Visualization meditation can be very challenging for many people. But it is no different than vividly visualizing the face of a loved one you can recall easily, and focusing on the details of their face, the creases in their wrinkles, the light in their eyes. This type of meditation has long-lasting benefits in the brain, like the creation of new neural pathways called neuroplasticity, among many others. I hope you enjoyed our meditation today. Thank you for practicing with me. Have a wonderful day.